Hey, here's something epic that I found that I wanted to share with everybody. It is the original window sticker. I am the original owner, and this is the original window sticker when I purchased the car in '95. It's a 1994 Probe GT, but I purchased it as a leftover. I hope you guys can see it, read some of it. And next to it, I have the sales brochure. Now this thing's really neat. I'll flip through a few pages real quick. I'll try to do it while holding the camera. And even though this is for, this is the 97, which is not mine. Mine's the 94, but 95 is close enough. Look at this. Look at this. And this. Oh, and here we go, the engine page. Man, I can't remember when my engine was that clean, if it was ever that clean. Talking about the high-tech 4 valves per cylinder. And then here, oh wait, what's in here? What's this, more information? Dual airbags, that was a big thing back then. And I think the last page was the colors and the options that I wanted to show. Oh yeah, check this out. So these are all the funky colors from the time that you could get. Of course, mine's the Portofino blue, which I think was discontinued in '95. But again, mine's the '94. And here is the blue. Actually, it's polishing pretty good. Of course, I spent more time polishing than the last video. That was more just clowning around for a little entertainment. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed the original window sticker and the brochure. The next video I do for sure, I will start it and bring it outside for you guys. Thank you. Enjoy.